So hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can export your video in Davinci Resolve 18. So what you have to do is go to the deliver page right here, and after clicking this you will see your video in this page where you can export your video. So whatever you want to export you can just select it and export. So if I want to export the entire timeline, then I have to check on this, like entire timeline I have to click on, and then you can see my entire timeline is ready to export. But if you want to export a particular clip, then you have to click on in out range. You can just press I on keyboard, like where you want to your video to start. So I want to export this clip from here, so I will press I on keyboard, and I want to end this clip right here, so I will press O, and this is how I can export a particular clip on Davinci Resolve. So but I want to export a full video, so I will go here and press I and end the video right here, so I will press O. So this is how I selected a full video. So then our next step is to set up a render settings. So as you can see here, you can find many platforms, and wherever you want to upload your video you can select the platform particularly. Like I want to export in TikTok, so I will click on TikTok, and if I want to upload the video on YouTube, so I will choose a YouTube. Many platforms are there, you can choose anyone you want. So I will go for H2.64, so I have to click on this, and then guys you have to name a file. So I will name it anything like XYZ, and then you have to give a location. For to give a location you have to click on browse, and then here you can give any location you want. So we will put it on rough page, so here I just put it. And then guys you can change settings, like if you want to change a video setting you will have to click on video, audio, file, anything you want to change you just have to click on it. So we will change a video setting, so I have to click on video, and then guys you can leave it as it is, like QuickTime. It is also a good format, so I will select it. Then it is also good 2.64, and if you want to change a codec you can just go for that, and encoder will be auto. Then resolution you can select according to you. So I always export my videos in this format, but if you want to change you can change it. Many people used to export their videos in this format, so we will select that. And if you want to change the frame rate you can change it as well, but here we will leave it as it is. And then guys you have to change it automatic to restrict, and after clicking on this you have to put 10,000 at least. So I will put it 10,000 here. And if you want to render your video in 4K quality, so you have to put at least 40,000 kilobytes, but here we are going to render our video in this quality, so we will put 10,000 kilobytes at least. And then guys you have to leave it as it is, and after that you have to click on add to render queue. After that you will find your video right here, and as you can see our video is ready to export now. So now we will press on render all, and this is how guys you can export your video in Davinci Resolve. And if you like this video please make sure subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching.